Hi there, I'm Sean Tom Ryan. I'm a performance process engineer at Atomic Limited. I was a plant supervisor within the mining industry. I was doing that for over 16 years. And basically what started off as a creating simple spreadsheets to then later developing more complex spreadsheets with dashboards and KPIs to end up becoming recognized as a data specialist, being able to leverage data for the business. I first discovered Maven Analytics was basically completing an Excel pivot table course by Chris Dutton himself. I was really interested in how Chris taught and the way he managed to interact with you. My overall impression of the platform, brilliant. I absolutely loved it. It's simple, it's clear, it's well constructed. Some of the key things that actually really caught my attention was Maven introduced my learning plan. And that was literally a simple process of answering about 10 questions. It really helps you to lead you the way you want to go. My learning journey began I was trying to make my job easier. So I started creating tools within Excel to just try and make things more smoother. And I actually started getting comments from my work colleagues telling me that these are really good. Have you ever thought of doing a career in it? It was only until one day that someone from a director level actually come up and actually said, look, we're impressed with your work. Have you ever considered doing data as a full-time job? When somebody on a senior level actually says something like that, it's kind of this is actually for real. How I got recognized was a lot of the time I actually did a lot of work out of work hours. So a lot of things I actually created was done in my own time. I did it because I wanted to make my life easier and everyone's life at my workplace easier. Doing something in your own time for the business, people recognize that, if you know what I mean. Maven helped me achieve my professional goals mainly because, in my opinion, the Maven Analytics team set the standard. They give you everything that you need to help you start your journey. If you don't learn from Maven, I think you end up missing the kind of standard that you should be aiming for. One main piece of advice I'd give to people that are trying to launch their own careers is actually think it through. You have to be keen to learn. I've made learning as a lifetime habit. I've actually helped a guy get into the data analytics world. I said to him, when you're ready, sign up to Maven Analytics. You guarantee you will not regret it. Just Maven all the way, and trust me, you're gonna learn. You really are. I never thought I could be doing what I'm doing now. I thought it was too late. It's never too late to actually change your career or go for something new. You'll never stop learning, and enjoy the ride.